Hello! Welcome to Elysian Stay Resorts. I'm Adam Turner, and today, I'll guide you through our seamless Wi-Fi setup process to enhance your stay. Wi-Fi connectivity is a hallmark of our commitment to ensuring a delightful experience throughout your stay. Each floor of our hotel is equipped with dedicated routers. When you search for networks, Elysian Stay_guest should appear at the top, indicating its strong signal. To connect, simply select Elysian Stay_guest. You'll be prompted for a password. We update this password monthly for your security. Check the information card placed in your room. It contains guidelines to connect and the current month's Wi-Fi password. Our powerful Wi-Fi supports all your devices, from smartphones and tablets to the smart TV in your room, ensuring a smooth online experience. Enjoy uninterrupted browsing, whether you're by the pool or cozied up in your room. If you face any challenges, our staff is always on hand to assist. Thank you for choosing Elysian Stay Resorts. We wish you a connected and comfortable stay.